Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, Krazy Klean review. So, in this case, you might be wondering what is Krazy Klean here. So, Krazy Klean is a chemical-free toilet tank device designed to help prevent hard water, stains, rust, calcium deposits, and limescale from forming inside your toilet bowl. Now, unlike the traditional toilet bowl cleaners, they rely on bleach or cleaning chemicals here. Krazy Klean is placed inside the toilet tank here, where it works continuously with every flush. Now, according to the manufacturer here, a single unit can last up to like 10 years without requiring refills or replacements. Now, the company also states that it is non-toxic, BPA free, septic safe, and safe for homes with children and pets. Now, according to the official website, Krazy Klean works using what is called hydro-mineral magnet technology. Now, manufacturer claims that as water passes through the device inside the toilet tank here, it changes how dissolved minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and iron behave. Now, instead of sticking to the toilet bowl for informing hard water stains or scale, these minerals are intended to remain suspended in water and flush away. Now, because it works by affecting mineral buildup rather than releasing cleaning agents, the company states that the device adds no chemicals, fragrances, or dyes to the water. Now, using Krazy Klean is quite simple. Now, before installation, the manufacturer recommends thoroughly cleaning the toilet bowl and removing any existing hard water or water stains here, rust or climb scales, since the product is designed to prevent new buildup rather than remove existing deposits. Now, once the bowl here is clean, remove the toilet tank lid and take the Krazy Klean unit out of its packaging and place it inside the tank away from the flushing mechanism. Now replace the tank lid and replace the tank lid here and flush once to activate the device. From that point onward, the unit is intended to work automatically with every flush and requires no additional maintenance. Now, the official website currently lists Krazy Klean here or Krazy Klean Pro at $49 for a single unit, with discounted pricing available when purchasing multiple units. Now, the company also advertised 30-day money-back guarantee, 10-year warranty, and free standard shipping on eligible orders. The pricing and promotions may change over time, so you may want to check that. So yeah, so if you're interested with Krazy Klean here, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. Now this applies for anything that you're buying online, but that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.